Shanti. Today's Murali, 23 August 2021, Babdada Madhuban. Essence, sweet children, promise yourselves that you will become very sweet, that you will look at everyone with happiness and love and not become trapped in anyone's name or form. Question: what is the result of having yoga? What are the signs of those who are powerful yogis? Answer: the result of having yoga is that all your physical senses become completely peaceful and cool. Firm yogi children are those whose physical senses don't cause any mischief at all. Their vision is not even slightly drawn to any bodily being. Sweet children, you are no longer young. You are now in your stage of retirement. Song: Awaken, O birds, awaken. The day is about to come. Murali's important points. You sweetest spiritual children heard the song. Churn the meaning of this in your hearts and experience happiness because these are matters of the new world. You listen to these new things at this time. The Father awakens you children. Children, wake up. The golden age is now to come again after the iron age. The Father comes to ignite your lights. When someone dies, people ignite a lamp for him and then look after it so that it doesn't go out and that the soul doesn't experience darkness. The Father says, I come to you sweet children, I only come in Bharat. Everyone has a lot of love for their motherland. The Father loves everyone. Nevertheless, I only come in my land of Bharat. If Krishna's name had not been mentioned in the Gita, all human beings would believe in Shiv Baba. The Father explains to all the children, when you become good yogis and your eyes are not drawn anywhere, your physical organs will become peaceful. The eyes are the main things that deceive you. If your stage of yoga becomes very good, you can feel that you have reached the stage of retirement in your youth. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Babdada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. First point: forget everything else and donate knowledge. Become Roop and Pasant. Make effort to remove your weaknesses. Don't look at others. Second point: make your nature very sweet. Look at everyone with love. Don't cause anyone sorrow. Become a conqueror of your physical senses. Blessing: may you make your awareness powerful with the help of Amrit Vela and the sustenance of Srimad and become embodiment of remembrance. If you want to make your awareness powerful and become an embodiment of remembrance, then understand the value of the time of Amrit Vela. Just as you have Srimad, in the same way, understand time and move along according to the time, and you will easily be able to attain all attainments and become free from having to work hard. by moving along while understanding the importance of Amrit Vela. You will perform every action according to its importance. At that time, there is special silence, and so you can easily make your awareness powerful. Slogan: those who become conquerors of Maya by having remembrance and doing altruistic service are constantly victorious. अच्छा, ओम शांति।